Hey, Daddy. Guys, I just planted my new sun coin. And guys, there was Ember Lily kanina, and you guys missed it. Bro, who are you talking to? You're not even recording. Shut up! Sumbong kita kay Daddy, ginagano mo ko Ang dami sa grape mo! Bigyan mo ko! Look here. Bro. Ember Lily! Look here! Give me all of that. I will just give you 3. I want all. Oh, isa. More. Yun lang. Shaolin is angry joke. Yes. Too many mango. Yan 10 kg yung high fruit mo pero ang liit, no? Ang dami ko ng Madami na akong Ember Lily at may pollinated Ember Lily pa ako. Ilagay ko nga to. Ilan yung Ember Lily mo? Nagiging 5 na. Ako 5 din. Kaso nga lang dito sa account ko yung isa. Saan Ember Lily mo? May mig cutter. Kinuha ko yung si otter ko tapos plinage ko sa garden ko kasi need ko ma-water yung yung apple ko. Oh, magpupuli grow na siya. Bro, restock! This more like my on my fruit. Sorry, bro. Wait, here's my shop. I'm still waiting for this. You can see this. Diyan ko nga rin mag-sila ko sa garden mo. Okay. May strawberry ka diba? Oo. Meron pa rin akong strawberry pero konti na. Damn, look at the eggplant. Don't be dirty-minded, guys. Don't be dirty-minded. It's not the eggplant you're thinking about. Ng mango, isa lang. Normal, Mango! Lang, tinatry ko to kuhain. Ang hirap, di pinapasyaw na yung collect button. Want to harvest mango ko? Isa lang. Sigma. Guys, this player is actually my sister got bad for something. cappuccino.
Ano,
Shut up!
naalala lang stole your
Ano?
Kunyari, may
Ano? Jack and the tomato. Jack and the beanstalk?
Yan
No!
may nag-show up daw sa'yo.
Wait lang!
Be!
Jack and the beanstalk na Jack with and the tomato. Bro, it's so hard. Hard. Girl just left. Here's my pepper farm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my Amber Lily farm. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me harvest. What's the price? Oh, it's much better. Sun coil or honeysuckle. Let's sell the difference. There. How about this? The sun coil is much better.